We are pleased to show you the 2020 Escalade ESV. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, braking assist, power brakes, power sunroof. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, backup camera, leather trim seats, heated seats, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, electronic messaging assistance with read function, auxiliary audio input. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.